Paremner, this is Patil Tutunjan, and I just arrived to Nicosia, Cyprus, and just entered my hotel room. This is called the Tony, and it's very central location, which is why I picked it. I want to quickly settle in and get some food, explore the area with you guys, get some first impressions. On my way here, I saw a Syrian restaurant, a Lebanese restaurant, but I will check the Little Armenia's book and see if there's anything close by that's an Armenian restaurant, and maybe we can go there or just see what's around here because I'm really hungry. I haven't had a chance to have a breakfast, but let me show you. So first of all, the door opens as a slide, which I find is interesting. Then you walk in, there's some cabinets. Okay, let me flip my camera. There's a nice closet. I haven't opened it yet. The guy at the reception was super nice. I think he was new. I think he mentioned that it's his first day or something, and by mistake he charged me €1 less, and then he helped me carry my suitcase up because there's no elevator. And he kept asking me if I need a fridge because I'm staying here for 4 nights. So I don't know, was he gonna like carry the fridge up? I said no, I don't think I will need it. I said if I need it I'll call them because they left me a card. This is the bed. I don't know why the artwork is like London, Paris. I don't know. It might have been nicer if it was just Cyprus themed. Yay, there's AC. And also, best news ever. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but apparently, yeah, the plugs here are type G, not these ones, and I did not bring a converter. I don't know, I call myself a traveler, but I didn't check what plugs they used here, so thank God they have them. And then let's check the balcony. Oh, the door opening situations here are interesting. Ooh, I see the other people's rooftop. I think I'm on the 2nd floor. This is the street that's right below us, so we'll go check it out. You can't really see anything from here. But it's actually quite nice downstairs. Like, it's very like old town, crowded markets. And last but not least, obviously, we have the washroom. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. It's actually like pretty good size. Okay, I'm gonna not unpack, but kind of unpack, get the Little Armenia's book, check it out. If there is anything nearby, if not, we'll go downstairs together and figure something out. This is where I enter the hotel. So now that we've seen where I'm staying, I want to do a quick aimless walk to just explore around. Let me flip my camera. There's a lot of souvenir shops here. So if you guys haven't seen the video that I made about things you should know about Cyprus before coming here, check that one out. I mentioned in it the intercity buses, which is how I came from Paphos to Nicosia. It took about 2 hours in the bus. It was a really nice bus, €7 per person, and they have like a place to put the luggage, and there's AC, which is important in this weather. So it was a really nice trip. So far, first impressions, it's a much more diverse city than what Paphos was, which makes sense, it's the capital. And we are currently in the old town. So let's keep walking and see what else is around. This is also a pedestrian-only neighborhood. That baby is crying. This is giving me also like Northern Avenue, Yerevan vibes because there's a lot of brands here from what I'm seeing. In addition to the endless and countless souvenir shops. I do need coffee, so let's see where I can get coffee from. Oh, this place is Coffee Berry. Oh, okay. Looks good. Coffee Berry it is. There's also this place. I kind of like this place better. Let's go in here. How cute. Maybe I'll sit here. I was gonna do a takeaway, but maybe I'll just sit here. Hello. It says digital house over there. I don't know what that means. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, they gave me complimentary water. Which, in this climate, is something I'm really grateful for. I'm so glad I decided to sit down and just like chill for a second here. It's so nice. So the place name is Pieto, in case you want to look for it. After that amazing coffee, we continue the tour. So I was looking on Google Maps, and apparently I'm on a historical street. I forgot the name already. I'm looking around to see if I can see it anywhere and tell you guys. I'll figure it out. There's so many brands here. Also, I'm loving how they have these things everywhere to create more shade on the street since it's very hot. There's H&M. It's not very historical. I figured it out. It's Ledra Street. So this is apparently historical street. Oh, there's Bershka. Starbucks, McDonald's. Okay, I mean, at least maybe the tiles on the floor are historic, or the buildings, because I don't know, these brands kind of ruin. There's even Pull&Bear. I know, they kind of ruin the vibe. This afternoon I'm going to be joining a walking tour, so I'll definitely make a full video on that, and we'll get a more kind of informative walk and understand where we are and some stories behind it, so that might be a different tour. We'll see. I saw on Google this like very weird shaped fountain, which I'm seeing from here. So I'm gonna walk towards it, and see what it's about. It's a police control. Did we reach the wall? I'm a little bit confused. Let me check. Oh yeah, we did. Wow, this was fast. I'm already seeing the other side flags. This feels very weird. Okay, I'm not gonna cross. I don't want to go there. Okay. Okay, interesting. But anyway, that was the fountain I was seeing. Okay, I'm gonna walk to the other side now. So let me quickly explain. So that is the checkpoint to pass to the northern side of Cyprus. I will be doing another tour in a couple of days where we will be touring the buffer zone, and that's where I will share more information as I learn from the guide about the entire history, because I don't want to just like share things. I want to hear from someone who knows more and then share with you guys, and obviously I'll make a video in the buffer zone, so definitely make sure to stay tuned for that. I'll see how that video turns out, and maybe I'll end up posting that as the first video of Cyprus, just to kind of, for all of us to get the background before we start touring places. So anyway, stay tuned. I don't know how that's gonna go. We'll find out together. Remember how I was talking about diversity in Nicosia and compared to Paphos and it being the capital? So here is a sign that I've seen. Migrants are welcome in this neighborhood. This is interesting. I'm not sure who put that sign there, but it feels nice that they are welcoming. I'm gonna try to go this way. I know I'm pretty close to my stay. I'm not gonna call it a hotel because it's not really a hotel. Also, fun fact, there's ants everywhere. Yeah, I mean, after the Marseille Airbnb with the cockroaches, the ants are fine, but just interesting that they're just like crawling everywhere, even on the bed. But we'll survive. It's just 4 nights here. Okay, this is not the street of my hotel. Let's see. Oh, this is Sham Food. It's a Syrian food place. I remember this street. Italian Lebanese cuisine, and it's closed. Right under my stay, there is a Lebanese restaurant, and it seems like it's a very lively and popular place. Okay, yeah, that's the one. This one, it's called the Fanous Lebanese restaurant. And yesterday, I can already hear the Lebanese music. Oh, it's empty now, but I've seen it pretty full. That's where my hotel is. So in order for us to have done a full circle of this area, let me show you the other side. I think this is also like a hotel complex. I don't know why this is giving me the vibes of the Tüfekcan Hotel in Dilijan with the gift shops. Ah, pomegranate. Okay, I'm now going to start heading towards the walking tour start point. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm pretty sure I'm going to learn more and more about this city, very unique city, divided capital in the world. So I'm excited to go join the walking tour, and in a couple of days the other tour where we do go into the buffer zone and find out more. With that being said, let's check that out. I can't get enough of you guys, so I can never say goodbye. What is this? This is a cute area. Anywho, I don't want to be late for the walking tour. Thank you so much for joining, you guys, and let me know if you've been to Nicosia, what were your impressions, and then as we go along, I'll keep you guys posted as well. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the other videos that I will be making. I'm also thinking of maybe doing exploring like the bars in the area. Maybe, no promises. I always thought of making videos like that, but it just never worked because there's always music in the background and it's dark and it's just not easy technologically to make those videos. But I will try. We'll see. If it happens, it will be uploaded, obviously. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye.